Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking out the mechanical key, press the release, and slide it free. Once done, place the fob on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Use a thin plastic pry tool or a small flat screwdriver. Insert at the seam near the key ring where the shell has a notch. Apply gentle, even pressure and twist slightly to separate halves. You do this to avoid cracking the plastic. Slow, steady force lets clips release without breaking them. Once the shell opens, you'll see the circuit board, rubber buttons, and battery. Make sure to note the battery type stamped on the cover. Many XC90 fobs use CR2450, some use CR2032. Orientation matters, so the new cell goes in correctly. Gently lift the PCB from the short edge, do not flex it. If a plastic retainer holds the battery, use your pry tool to pop the cell out. You are careful here to protect solder joints and silicone button pads from damage. You install the fresh battery with the same polarity and seat it so it won't shift. Once the cell is in, lower the PCB and rubber pad back into place. Align the shell halves, then press them together evenly until clips snap. Reinsert the mechanical key and test both lock and unlock from a few feet away. If the fob still won't work, clean the battery contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol and retry. If it remains dead, you may need to reprogram the fob or consult a dealer. This is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.